lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
So here's what my room looks like. This is in my parents' house, and yeah, it's just a complete mess. This rack is for all my inventory, and then all these piles, I have some stuff that I'm selling in here, and it's just a lot that I have to figure out where to put all these and just organize everything. So it's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the entire year, basically. I don't know where else to put these and how to organize. It's definitely going to be a process.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off. I'll grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this